Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup simple. First, begin with a high-quality broth, whether it's chicken, vegetable, or beef, as this forms the foundation of your soup's flavor. Next, focus on selecting just a few key ingredients, perhaps 2 or 3, to keep things manageable and prevent an overwhelming taste. Don't forget to include aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, which are essential for building a deep, savory base. To simplify your cooking process, start by chopping all your ingredients into uniform, small pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly and quickly. Next, sauté your aromatic vegetables, like diced onions and minced garlic, in a little oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are softened and fragrant. Finally, add your broth and other main ingredients, then simmer the soup for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. Elevate your simple soup with a few easy flavor boosters. Fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro, stirred in just before serving, add a vibrant freshness. A small squeeze of lemon juice can surprisingly brighten the entire dish, cutting through richness and enhancing other flavors. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings with salt and pepper throughout the cooking process to achieve perfect balance. Once your delicious, simple soup is ready, allow it to cool completely before transferring it into airtight containers for storage. You can refrigerate your soup for up to 3 to 4 days, making it perfect for quick lunches throughout the week. For longer storage, freeze it for 2 to 3 months, ensuring you always have a comforting meal on hand. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.